Where in the city did you grow up?
In Mexico City, in La Colonia del Valle, where the school was located. But then my parents went, when they got married, they went to Polanco, as most of the Jewish community. And then we went to the new area, the state of Mexico, in the metropolitan area. Also a very popular street. Well, it was like a neighborhood divided by a big avenue, and on one side, on my street, we lived most of the Jews from that side, and on the other side there was one street where most of them lived.
Hmm. Which street?
My side was Francisco Alonso Pinzon, like from the Christopher Columbus times. All the streets were named like that, and I remember the school bus stopped 5 or 6 times in my street alone because we all lived there. It was like living outside. Well, it was living outside the city, and it was like a small town. We were all raised together, and we had, at some point, they made like a park on each block. So we spent all of our afternoons together at the park playing with the bicycles. There was no insecurity, there was nothing, and we all grew together. We went to the school and then came back to make homework and stuff. And the other day we were remembering that even sometimes when we were already teenagers, we used to go from one house to the other through the roofs